Hello and welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where my mission is to not only motivate you but help you to move on to the brighter side of the health. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the power of imagination exercises when it comes to facial paralysis or even synkinesis management. Imagination exercises are one such exercise that I highly recommend to all the patients suffering from facial paralysis, be it in the early stage of facial palsy or in the later stages of facial palsy. These exercises are safe, but at the same time very effective. But unfortunately, these exercises are the most toughest one to do or follow. So, why these facial imagination exercises are so important? There is a science behind that. So, whenever a face is doing any expression, right, it comes from your emotional center, or else you can say your limbic system. Most of our facial expressions are emotion based and not by a command based thing. But unfortunately, when you suffer from facial paralysis, there is a sudden switch from your emotional expression area to a more command based facial expression. This is an absolute contrast situation. And whenever you are trying to do exercises from will, where you are doing command based exercise, the balance of emotional expression and the command gets disturbed, which means the brain now starts taking more commands from a command based area of the brain than of the emotional area. This imbalance leads to lack of memory of right movement patterns in the longer run, which could be also one reason for synkinesis in future. But if we try to practice imagination, if we try to practice imagining our previous facial expressions, it can be restored. Brain relearns and develops the pattern of imagination and also develops the pattern of dominance of using your imaginary centers coming to the face, and thus can help in preventing or reducing synkinesis. Hence, it's very important that at any stage of facial palsy you are, practice more and more of imagination exercises. It will not only prevent overactivity on your facial muscles, but at the same time it will activate right brain centers at right intensity. It will try to send signals at right area. There would be less chance of aberrant renervation, or else say spreading of the nerve fibers in wrong direction, and at the same time your emotional sanity will stay good, because most of the time facial paralysis is a condition which impairs your emotional well-being as well. And that's the reason imagination exercises are core part of your rehabilitative process. But unfortunately, as I said, this is the most toughest one, and this is the one which not all patients are able to do it successfully. Some find it easy to follow, but for some it's almost near to impossible or very difficult to follow. And that's where you need help, you need guidance. So make sure to take right guidance at right time to work on your recovery from facial paralysis. But hold on, make sure to watch my upcoming video where I'll be giving you an overview of how to perform imagination exercises in different stages of facial paralysis. On that note, I'll end this video here and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.